Hi everyone, Anita here, More Time to Chalk. So I'm going to do a DIY bee project, and I had this ornament in my stash for a while now, and when I saw the end of it, I thought this was perfect for the project. So I got the other little wood pieces at the dollar store, and I'm going to paint all these, and we're going to create a little bee and put that all together. Now, if you want more ideas and inspiration, go ahead and comment #BIP for my free private crafting group, and I'll send you a link through Messenger. So once this is going to be completely dry, I'm just going to add some shading along both sides of the bee's body, and I'm using a brown color, and so I'm just it's like a float, we call that, and then I'm gonna apply the stripes with some black chalk paint, and I'm just eyeballing this, no measurement needed, just as long as you can make a nice straight line. And I also let those dry in between coats, and you can use a piece of painter's tape if you want to be exact with the space. Place painter's tape and then apply your stripes. And then I'm going to use some sandpaper just to rough up the edges. Kind of helps clean up all that paint that's on the sides. And I'm just going to make a simple bow. I have a little bit of the fabric, and I'm going to put some of the shredded wood shavings in between the bows, and I'm using a really cute yellow one, and then I'm going to tie that up, and I'm going to just use some hot glue to put the bees together. And I also have this gouge wire where I'm going to use that for the antenna, so I just folded it in half. I take a little brush and roll it along the handle, and you'll get this cute little curls. And before I glue all that together, I'm going to put a twine to hang. And so I'm going to start with the little antennas, the head body, and then the wood chips for the wings. And I left those raw. I'm going to put my bow, and check out how cute this is. Make sure that you follow me for more details. Thanks for watching. See you next time.